Good evening, students. So pronouns already we have started. We have discussed what is pronoun. Okay, then examples I have given you. Then the chart I said to learn, pronoun chart. Then we have discussed how pronouns can be used as subject part and predicate part. Okay, different. That subject pronouns we cannot use in the predicate part, or predicate pronouns we cannot use in the subject part. Like this we have discussed. Now today we'll discuss about another type of pronouns. Type of pronoun, what is that? Possessive pronoun. What we'll discuss? Possessive. Okay, so possessive pronoun will discuss what is possessive. Ownership. Another name of is that ownership, where you can show your ownership, your possessions, that this is mine, this is mine. This all known as possessiveness. Suppose this book belongs to me. As I said, this book belongs to me means I am possessing this book, that it is belongs to me. Is it? So this is known as possessiveness. Now, possessive pronoun, in your book you will get many examples. Mine, theirs, hers, its. Okay, so we will just go through it. What is there? Possessive pronoun, as I said, it is showing us a ownership. What are those? Mine, yours. Examples: mine, yours, own, ownership. Okay, his, hers, theirs, ours. Is it? Its. This is all known as possessive pronoun, where you can show your ownership and possession. Okay, keep it in mind. After the possessive pronoun, as we know that it is replacing a noun. Pronoun is what? I said instead of noun. So as we are replacing the noun with a pronoun, so after the possessive pronoun, we cannot use any noun. Clear? Like mine is this book. We can write mine book is this. We cannot write. Okay, mine is the house. We cannot write mine house is this. Means after the possessive pronoun, keep it in mind, after possessive pronoun we cannot place any noun. After possessive pronoun we cannot place any noun, because we know pronoun itself is actually replacing a noun. So after the possessive pronoun, how we can place a noun? We cannot place. So keep it in mind. This is footnote about the possessive. Okay. So what I said about possessive pronoun, where you can show your ownership. Where you can show your ownership. Now the examples I have given, what are the possessive pronouns? Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. These are all are known as possessive pronouns. Okay. Now let us go to the exercise. What is here written? This is the basic information about the possessive. Possession, ownership. Keep it in mind. It will be very easy for you to understand. Now teacher is asking, whose book is this? Answer will be, ma'am, it is his. Because her you cannot write. Her is just a pronoun, personal pronoun. I said hers is possessive pronoun. Here we have to use only the possessive pronoun. So here we'll write, ma'am, it is his. Second one, teacher, are you sure this book is his? Then answer will come, yes ma'am, this book is his. And that book is hers. Here the possessive pronoun will put hers. Alright, where is your book? Shartak, ma'am, the book on the table is mine. As I said, mine here will use as possessive pronoun. Clear? Now, exercise E you will do your copy by your own. What to do here? You have to just replace these sentences correctly. First one I am just telling you, others you will do at home. The dog are barking loudly. The dogs, here subject dogs. So we'll replace it with this. He is disturbing I. It's totally wrong. What we'll write here? The dogs are barking loudly. They are disturbing us. Clear? because it is plural, the dogs, plural, according to the noun we have to replace. So we'll replace like that, the dogs are barking loudly, they are disturbing us. Let me write that one, it will be easy for you. Okay, hopefully you have written all these things in your copy. I'm just showing you the first one, other you will write by your own in the copy. First one, the dogs are barking loudly. I'm separately writing the sentences, so it will be clarified to you. The dogs are barking loudly. Related with this sentence, we will just change the other sentence. He is disturbing us. It is written already there. He is disturbing I. Now we'll replace with the dogs. So the dogs, it is plural. So it will go here. What? Pluralness. They. Now here, according to the plural subject, we'll put the plural verb. They are. So they are disturbing. They are disturbing. Clear? Now I. Here I we cannot be. We'll write here us. Why? Because I we cannot use in the predicate part. Before only we have learned. Is it? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. That only we can use in the subject part. Predicate part we have to use us, me, our. Is it? So here I, so us. Or I, me. It will be better me. They are disturbing me. Okay, they are disturbing me. I is there, so it will be easy to use me. So like that only, you will go through others. Only 5 are there, so already 1 I have done. Other 4 you will do by your own in the copy. Write it down. And related with this, one worksheet I will provide you definitely. Just go through with it. So pronoun, though the chapter is looking so easy, but it is not so easy at all. Okay, different types are there. As I said, see, in the one sentence you have to keep it in mind which pronoun to replace, which verb to use according to the pronoun, and that about subject and predicate part. Is it? So all thing we have to keep it in mind. Clear? So you go through with this possessive pronouns with the examples, then you solve this exercise, and related with this one worksheet definitely I will provide you. Try to solve it. Hopefully you will solve it. If you cannot, just tell me. Again we'll discuss it. Otherwise, hopefully the before exercises you have done, there will be no doubt at all. And 3-4 worksheets already I have provided you. Solve it. It will be very easy to understand about the pronoun. So possessive pronoun, today's lesson, possessive pronoun, you will learn what is possessive pronoun, the ownership, and examples I have given. With that, try to make sentences. Okay, so many possessive pronouns already there in your book. Try to make sentences with that. And as I said, keep one thing in mind, that after the possessive pronoun you cannot place any noun, as pronoun itself is replacing a noun. Is it? So keep it in mind. And after that, one exercise I have done. Accordingly, you have to just point out these parts. First, the noun with that verb and how to replace it. Keep it in mind which pronouns we can use in the subject part and predicate part. Then only it can possible to rewrite it again correctly. Clear? So solve the exercise and the worksheet also. If you get any problem, definitely we'll solve it. This chapter almost we have done. Again we'll just replace with some worksheet so that your doubts will be clarified. Clear? This much today. Thank you, class.